Over the 5-18 Lorenzo, 2014 Marquez, 2015 Rossi, Viñales on the Suzuki in 16, Dovizioso. Don't ever discount that man from a better finish because they are all quick on this grid. All of 2019, and that makes it an unbelievable 50%. It was back in 2014 since he's had that win. The man alongside him won in 2015, Valentino Rossi. Was yesterday in qualifying too. I think that's significant, and it may be why Quartararo as amateurs, it's within their margins for the way Quartararo rides and the temperature this track is at. Neil,
but the British Grand Prix, there's nothing better. It's an honour for me to be on that grid. I genuinely mean that.
He will eclipse surely Mike Hailwood here, but he's still got a long way to go before he catches it. Which is 2017, wasn't it? Down the back of the Hangar Straight. There's the gap.
Rins
to Viñales.
Oh, sorry, not Rins. Viñales is coming. Rins win earlier this year, but that was when Marc Marquez crashed. He's never, yes.
Do you know, this is closing down closer. Oh, hang on. Has Marquez raised? Is Marquez holding the pace up so he can unleash the Honda on the closing lap? I'd of 2 and a bit laps to go. The British Grand Prix is about to make the move that we're expecting in this closing stages. 2 laps to go as they come to the line. 0. That's a fact. It's 0.4 at that point as he came over the line. 1.2 further back from Ring come together. It could be a win for Maverick Viñales.
What's incredible is we see in the Suzuki that's strong in some parts of the
sector. First 2 sectors, yes, brilliant.
Clearly got an advantage through this first sector, but then, like I say, you get to that last
a little bit quicker than the Suzuki down the back straight, the Hangar Straight. So we won.
Marquez was deep into there then.
Not deep enough for Alex Rins though. Right then, we've got an opportunity. We go down towards Abbey Corner. It's a quick old corner, then through Farm. This is Abbey. He's got it closing him down. Yeah, it's going to be here surely down towards Village. Through the right-hander at Village, and then coming from the Suzuki. Has he got an opportunity? Here we go. He goes underneath him at Aintree. On Brooklands. Here we go then.
Marquez is in deep.
He's in too deep perhaps, but also stops the Suzuki.
But it's going to be.
This is where the Honda hooks up as we go through Woodcote. Interesting to see how much more. Here's Kenny Roberts, 1979, 40 years ago there. Copped corner now, 3.6 for the British Grand Prix has just come to life. Has Marquez got enough? This is where the Suzuki looks out onto the Hangar Straight. We're there now, firing out of it. It looks to me like Marquez has got this right.
You know what I mean though?
Yeah, I do.
Because Rins is going to have to, if he wants to win this race, he's going to have to let the brake off.
About Marc Marquez, he's going to be lively into Vale. He still makes the apex. Rins is still with him, threw enough in his tyres surely to make this work. This is the last chance salute for the Suzuki. Can he get up? He'll close him down. This is Farm.
Here we go.
Corner next. I don't think he can get close enough. Marquez is good on. Well, Marquez boxing clever there. So the Suzuki cuts to the inside. He's looking for the cutback. This is where he went. Can the Suzuki get underneath the Honda? Not close enough. Down here at Brooklands. It's going to be down to a mistake from Marc Marquez. Williams is boxing very, very clever indeed. But Marquez is looking for a win from pole. Marquez surely has got it done.
Rins gets it on the line.
Him on the line.
Unbelievable.
Beats Marquez at the Viñales third. Rossi fourth. Rins. Wow. Can't believe it. Suzuki are ecstatic. The last time they won here was 2016 with Maverick long wider line into Woodcote and drove underneath the Honda. And because Marquez was
Marquez to show, look, I'm going to come round the outside of you. Marquez did.
I think I know.
Racecraft.
It was racecraft. Look at that 100%. Marquez was protecting the inside of it in the middle of that checkered flag. It's not the first edge that you see. So Rins had a yard to spare. Plays the Joan Mir as well because he's been putting in a lot of mileage on that bike as a test rider all day. Marc Marquez, well, it's been a long time since he won here. 2013, the last time Marquez won it whole. But it is the Suzuki and Alex Rins who wins the race.
What a feeling for them. They don't get on at all. He doesn't like Marc Marquez one bit. And there's not a better feeling. Do you know what, Ron? Which he did. but what he did, he showed Marc Marquez's front wheel, and then Marc...